hope you're doing well. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are gonna do something fun. Again, it's time to do my nails. Again, disaster as per usual. So here I have a nail from one demo, then this is from the set that I did Beauty and the Beast, but I am bored of them. I think it's time to switch up, to do something amazing today. I posted some photo on my Instagram with French, but it wasn't like a normal French, it was marble French, and I got a lot of reactions for that, so I thought why not to do a video about this. So if you're interested in, please keep on watching. Okay guys, so I just took out my tools and I will spray them with my disinfectant. The tools are gonna be nice and ready for me to use, nice and safe for me to use, clean, the most important thing. And it's time to remove all of my nails. We're gonna make them short because today I want to do something different, which I mentioned, like a marble French. But for that I want to change the shape. I want to change a lot of things, so I think I will remove all of them. Okay guys, so once I applied the nail forms, it's time to actually start with our, how can I call this, marble French. So the nail forms that I used are from Yana Nails. I really love them. The paper is not too thick, but it's firm, so when you apply your nail form, it's gonna stay there like you want it, which is super important. And yes, so the first gel that I'm gonna be using is actually from Yana Nails as well, and it's Architect Pinch and Build gel. So I will just open it up and then you will see in the camera what we are gonna start to do. So now I'm gonna start first with a super thin layer, just outlining what shape I want to do. And I think today we're gonna go a little bit longer than I would normally go, not like super long. I'm not gonna, maybe I will. Let's see how it goes. So the gel that I'm using is Architect Pinch and Build from Yana Nails, and I'm gonna take a bigger bowl to actually create the extension on my nail. I have it on my brush and I'm gonna start, well, maybe that's too much. Okay, I'm gonna put it first at the place where nail form and natural nail meet. And now I'm gonna start to lightly move it from one side to another. And today I'm gonna go until number 5. Okay, so now I'm gonna take my poly gel and I will start to create nail bed extension. Now I'm gonna dip my brush into the cleanser and I'm gonna start to move my poly gel. First, I will start off with my machine. Okay guys, so now when I just filed a little bit the nail bed extension, well, still it's not perfect as you see, but just the shape that I want, it's time to actually fill this part here. And for that I will do the marble effect. So I'm gonna use this royal blue color and I'm gonna put 5 times. Next one, I'm gonna take black, also from Yana Nails, which is number 2. Okay, next I'm gonna take from Yana Nails Genie in the Bottle called Aloha. Next is gonna be Brazilian Bikini, also from Yana Nails. And the next one is gonna be Vitamin C. Okay, so I'm gonna take my color brush and I'm gonna start to pick up the color. And I'm gonna start to apply it. Okay guys, so once you apply your color, it can be any combination. As you see, all of the nails are different. It's impossible to get them all the same when it comes to the free edge colors. So be your own artist and choose whatever you like to choose. And now it's time to pop this hand in a lamp. Okay, after this has been fully cured, I'm gonna go back with my Architect Pinch and Build gel. With this one, again, it's a transparent clear gel. I will fill in here to make sure that everything is on the same level. So first I'm gonna dip my brush and I'm gonna start to apply my gel on the whole thing. You can go tiny bit on the pink as well, it doesn't really matter. Take a ball and I will start to extend it. Moving on to the next one, we repeat the same thing. Okay guys, so I did 2 nails off camera, so I'm just gonna keep filing the rest of the babies up because you see the difference now in the shape. I'll put a close up. You see they look horrible compared to this one and the thumb, so let's shape those babies up. I just decided to do a little flower here, so I just did an outline here just with blue color and you will see me now finish this flower. So the colors I took were from Yana Nails. This is Aquaholic, Brazilian Bikini and Aloha. So this was done with Aquaholic. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of that Brazilian Bikini. Just gonna do like a little lighter part here. Okay guys, so now it's time for the top coat. Okay guys, I hope you liked this video. I hope you liked the finished result. We will post some photos as well of the nails that we just did. I call this like a marble effect, sea almost, because we used blue, turquoise, green, black and white. But anyway, yeah, if you recreate this, please tag me, send it to me. I would love to see how you do, and thank you so much for your support. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the video, and I will see you in my next one. Ciao!